Good evening, children. Since today we are going to start the solution of the question paper of UT second, and in this reference, today I will explain you the A set of UT second question paper of English. Students, as you know that the question paper is divided in three sections, and in first section you will find the reading section, section B is grammar section, and section C is literature section. In reading section, section A passage has been given, and surely you will find the 8 questions based on this passage, and you have to read the passage attentively and give the answer of all these given 8 questions. As you know that the given passage is related to the cleanness and the washing of hands regularly. We have faced the pandemic condition of COVID-19 for last 2 years. So this passage has its own importance. So in your main exam you will find 20 marks for this section, and you will find 2 unseen passages for 8 and 12 marks. Then students, you have to read this passage attentively and give the answer of the questions based on this passage by the trick of keywords. Then it is the part of your work, of your site. Now I am ready to explain you the grammar section of this passage. Section C is given in the form of grammar, and in grammar section you will find the 3 types of questions. Question first is based on change the following sentence as directed. Students, you know very well that the sentence is given in the form of tense, and you have to change the tense of the following sentence as it is directed before the sentence in the bracket. In this reference, the first question is he read a letter yesterday. He read a letter yesterday. You have to change it into future perfect. क्या बनेगा बच्चों इसका? He read a letter yesterday. He will have read a letter tomorrow. He will have read a letter tomorrow. The second question is have you seen him in the market? Past indefinite में change करना है इसे. Have you seen him in the market? तो did you see him in the market? Did you see him in the market? The third question is will you have called him into the room? Will you have called him into the room? Present continuous. You have to change it into present continuous. Then are you calling him into the room? The right answer will be are you calling him into the room? And the fourth question is do you know his address? You have to change it into future perfect. Will you have known his address? Will you have known his address? Now the second question is given in the form of active and passive voice. 4 questions are given in the active voice, and you have to change them into passive voice. The first sentence is I saw him writing a letter. I saw him writing a letter. Then he was seen writing a letter by me. He was seen writing a letter by me. The second question is I saw him, who invented electric bulb? The second question is, who invented electric bulb? Then by whom the electric bulb was invented? By whom was electric bulb invented? It will be the passive voice of the sentence. He is writing a letter to his father. He is writing a letter to his father. A letter is being written to his father by him. A letter is being written to his father by him. He can break the chair. He can break the chair. The chair can be broken by him. The chair can be broken by him. Now the second question is over, and the last question in grammar section is to rearrange the following sentence in meaningful sentence. Now these are the words given in unsequenced manner, and in lower classes you have read it, and we have called it the jumble words. And with the help of some given words, you have to arrange them in a meaningful sentence. Can you solve this problem? The first one is, can you solve this problem? The second one is, I never went to New Delhi. I never went to New Delhi. And the third one is, she earned name and fame. The third one is, she earned name and fame. And the last is, I found him sleeping in the room. I found him sleeping in the room. And students, I have completely explained you the grammar section. Now it is your literature section, and three types of questions are prescribed in this section. The first type is very short answer type questions, and 1 mark is prescribed for each question. You have to write the answer of these questions briefly. What did the headmaster once tell Einstein's father? एक बार आइंस्टाइन के फादर को उसके हेडमास्टर ने क्या कहा था? The second one is, how did the kingdom of fools different from the other places? This question has been taken from the chapter The Kingdom of Fools, and how the kingdom of fools was different from the other places. Why did the swallow not leave the prince and go to Egypt? Swallow ने प्रिंस को क्यों नहीं छोड़ा और वो इजिप्ट क्यों नहीं गई? This question is based on the popular story of Oscar Wilde, The Happy Prince. For whom does the prince send the sapphire and why? प्रिंस ने जो उसके सैफायर्स थे उसको किस किस को भेजा और क्यों भेजा? This is the question. Now you have also write 5 questions. Give the answer of this question in 40 to 50 words. The first question is, why did people call Einstein world citizen? लोग आइंस्टीन को वर्ल्ड सिटीजन क्यों कहते हैं? In other words, you can say why Einstein is called the world citizen. The second is, why did Guru and disciple eager to die first? गुरु और उनका डिसिपल, उनका शिष्य था, वो एक दूसरे से पहले क्यों मरना चाहते थे? थर्ड वन इज, हाउ डिड द ब्रिक लेयर एस्केप हिज पनिशमेंट? जो ब्रिक लेयर था, जो राजमिस्त्री था, वो पनिशमेंट से कैसे बचा? फोर्थ वन इज, हाउ डिड द स्वैलो एंड द हैप्पी प्रिंस हेल्प सीमस्ट्रेस? स्वैलो और हैप्पी प्रिंस ने जो सीमस्ट्रेस थी, जो जुलाहिन थी, उसकी मदद कैसे की? The question 5 and last is, what did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office? जो आइंस्टाइन थे, जो when he was working in the patent office, then what he was calling to the drawer of his desk in the patent office. And the last question, question 3, is given in the longest form, and 6 marks has been prescribed for this question, and you have to write the answer of this question 80 to 100 words. How does the guru manage to save his disciple's life? गुरु ने, उस सन्यासी ने अपने डिसिपल, अपने शिष्य की लाइफ जो है वो कैसे बचाई? एंड और यू हैव टू राइट द अदर क्वेश्चन इज गिवन इन द substitution. What was the outcome of Einstein's letter which he wrote to the President of America रूजवेल्ट। जो अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट रूजवेल्ट को जो लेटर लिखा था किसने, अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ने, उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट था? डिड हिज वार्निंग हैव एन इम्पैक्ट टू अमेरिका? क्या उसने जो वार्निंग दी थी अपने लेटर में उससे अमेरिका पर कोई प्रभाव पड़ा? इन अदर वे यू कैन से व्हाट वाज द इम्प्रेशन ऑफ द आइंस्टाइंस लेटर to American President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Now, students, you have to complete the solution of this question paper, and next term I will explain you the A set. Okay, students, goodbye.